Friends, welcome to Go to Smart channel. Today we are going to discuss about day 28th day. So in the 28th day we are going to discuss about mensuration top 15 models. In this top 15 models, definitely one or two models will be coming in IIIT exam. Definitely I am saying one or two models are coming in IIIT exam. So please remember these top 15 models are very important. So before going to start the video, you just give a one like. Okay, now let us start. A big sphere was made out from a cube if the curved surface area of the sphere is 616 centimeters square, then the side of the cube is. So here nothing is there. Volume of sphere is nothing but volume of cube. Volume of sphere is nothing but volume of cube. So volume of cube is nothing but a cube, and volume of the sphere. A big sphere was made up from the cube if the curved surface area of a sphere is. So we have to find. So this is the diagram. So in this sphere is there. So how to find, first of all, curved surface area of a sphere. Curved surface area of a sphere is nothing but 4 pi r square. That is equal to 616. 616. Now 4 1s are 4, 21 is there, 4 5s are 20, and 16 is there, 4 4s are 16. So now r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. 11 2s are 11, 14s are. Now 2 1s are 2 7s are. So r square is equal to 49, 7 square means r is equal to 7. R is equal to 7. So what we want, the side of the cube is. So the side of the cube is nothing but, so we got the radius 7. Next we want, so side means that is double of the radius, that is 14. So 14 is the answer, first option. Next. If the diagonal of a square is 16 root 2, then the area of the square is. So diagonal is 16 root 2 and the area they are asking. So shortcut formula is d square by 2. What is the shortcut formula? If you know the diagonal of the square, then the area of the square is d square by 2. So here 16 square root 2 square means 2 by 2. 2 2 will get cancelled. Answer 16 square. So 16 square means 256. Answer 256. If the volume is 154 and lateral surface is 88, then the radius of the cylinder asking. So volume we know very well, pi r square h, and lateral surface area we know very well, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h, isn't it? So here pi and pi will get cancelled and h and h will get cancelled. So now this is equal to 154 by 88. So 11 14s are, 11 8s are. Next 2 1s are, 2 4s are. Next 2 2s are, 2 7s are, and r will get cancelled. So r I am getting 7 by 2. R I am getting 7 by 2. So here 7 by 2 means 3.5. 7 by 2 means 3.5. Next, the number of the cubes of edge 2 centimeters which can be cut out from the cube of edge 6 centimeters is. So it's very easy, simply 6 into 6 into 6 by 2 into 2 into 2, isn't it? 2 1s are 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So answer is 27. This is the answer. To find out the slant height of a cone, we use dash theorem. So for finding the slant height, so we have to use Pythagoras theorem. So because we know very well, in cone, this is the height, this is the slant height, this is the radius. This is a Pythagoras theorem because we are getting right angle triangle. Next. A solid iron cuboid 49 centimeters, 33 centimeters, 24 centimeters is melted to form a solid sphere. Then R is equal to, see here, a solid iron cuboid of 49 centimeters, 33 centimeters and 24 centimeters is melted to form a solid sphere. Then radius. See here, solid sphere means 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is the volume of sphere. So that is equal to 49 into 33 into 24. Now cancel everything, you will get the answer. 4 1s are 4 6 are 24. Here 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Now 11 2s are 11 3s are. Next, so r cube is equal to 7 into 49, that is 7 cube, and 3 into 3, and 2 cancel, so 2 3s are again 3 cube. So again I am saying 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube is equal to 14 into 33 into 24. Now what I am doing, 4 1s are 4 6s are, again 11 2s are 11 3s are, again 2 1s are 2 3s are. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there, and also this down 3 into 7 is there. If you bring to this side, then this is 7 square into 7 means 7 cube. This is 3, this is 3 3, so 3 cube. So 7 cube 3 cube. So we want r value. So radius is equal to 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21 because 3 3 3 will get cancelled. So 21 is the answer. So radius is 21 centimeters. Next, the number of the balls each of the radius 1 centimeter that can be made of a solid sphere of radius 8 centimeters. See here, we know very well volume of the sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. Again 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here 4 by 3 cancel, pi and pi cancel. So 8 cube by 1 cube, that is equal to 512. So 512 is the first option. Because 4 by 3 will get cancelled, pi and pi will get cancelled, and r value is 8, here r value is 1, so 8 cube by 1 cube means 512. Next, if L is equal to 5 centimeters, B is equal to 4 centimeters, H is equal to 4 centimeters, then the length of the diagonal of the cube. So the length of the diagonal of the cube is root over L square plus B square plus H square, that is equal to root over L value is 5 square, so 25 plus 16 plus 16, that is 32, so that is nothing but 37, so 57, root 57 is the answer. So root 57, that is the fourth option. Next, find the ratio of the volume and the surface area of a sphere and whose radius is 6 centimeters. We want to find the ratio of the volume and surface area of a sphere. So volume of the sphere what? 4 by 3 pi r cube is 2. What is the surface area? Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. See here, pi and pi will get cancelled and 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So r value they are given 6 cube and 6 square into by 3. So here 6 square and 6 square will get cancelled. Here 6 will be there. Then 6 is to 3. 6 is to 3. So 3 1s are 3 2s are. That is 2 is to 1. So that is the third option. Next. A solid metallic cylinder of radius 3 centimeters and height 5 centimeters is melted to make n solid cones of height 1 centimeters and radius 1 millimeter. Find n. See here, volume of cylinder is nothing but volume of cone. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of cone means 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here pi and pi will get cancelled, 3 will go numerator, then 3 into, so radius of the sphere cylinder is 3, so 3 into 3, and height is 5 centimeters, so 5 by, so radius of the cone is 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is nothing but 1 by 10 centimeters, so 1 by 10 into 1 by 10 because r square into height, how much? Height is 1 centimeter, so into 1, so 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27, 5s are 135. And this 100 will go to numerator, that is 13500. So that is the second option, 13500. 11th one, find the radius of new sphere if their 3 spheres are of radii 6 centimeters, 10 centimeters and 8 centimeters are melted and combined. So if 3 spheres are melted and combined and forming a new sphere, we have to find the new sphere radius, that is 6 cube plus 8 cube plus 10 cube. So that is, if you add this all, then you will get 1728. That is equal to 12 cube, means answer radius is 12. So big radius is 12. Again I am saying, find the radius of the new sphere, which is a big one. So if you add the small spheres, 3 spheres, then the first sphere radius is 6 cube, that is 216, and second sphere radius is So 8 cube means that is 512, and third sphere is 10 cube means 1000. If you add 1000 plus 512 plus 216, that is nothing but 1728. So this is already is there in our textbook. So 12 cube, that's the most important problem. Next, so 12 cube means answer 12 centimeters. Volume of a cube is 1331, then the total surface area is, so here volume of cube is 1331 means a cube is equal to 11 cube. So a is equal to 11. Now we want to find 6a square total surface area. So 6 into 11 square is 121. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 1, 6 1 is 6, 7. So answer 726 is the answer. Next, if the diagonal of a cube is 9 root 3, then the volume is, see here diagonal is a root 3. So a root 3 is equal to 9 root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. A is equal to 9. So we want volume. So 9 cube. 9 cube is 729. 729 is the answer. That is the third option. Next, if a prism has 7 faces and 10 vertices, then how many edges it has? See, already I have explained for you. V plus F is equal to E plus 2. This is already I explained. V plus F is equal to E plus 2. They have told faces are 7, vertices are 10, is equal to edges we want to find. So here 17 minus 2, that is 15. So answer 15. If for any prism you can find using this F plus V is equal to E plus 2. That is a Euler's relation. Next, determine the sphere which can be inscribed a cube of edge x centimeters. So determine the sphere. See here in the cube. So in the cube, a sphere is inscribed, which can be inscribed in a cube edge x centimeters. See, this is x. So this is also x. This is also x. This is also x. Now we want determine the sphere which can be inscribed in a edge x centimeters is. Determine the radius of the sphere, I think. Pause. Diameter of a sphere which can be inscribed in a cube of edge x centimeters. So diameter we want. So it is inscribed in a cube. So here root 3 into x, that is equal to diagonal of a cube. Diagonal of a cube. Now we want to find edge. So edge means that is x. Sorry. Diameter of a sphere which can be inscribed a cube of radius x centimeters. See here. This is a cube. In this cube, a sphere is inscribed. So we want to find diameter means, so it should be the diagonal of a cube. The diagonal of cube is, so root 3 into x. So answer first option, root 3 into x. So this is the friends English medium mensuration top 15 models. So again tomorrow we'll meet. So thank you very much for watching Gaurisma channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.